Here's a quick and easy tutorial on how to replace your Toro air filter. So this is the Toro 21 inch, but the process should pretty much be the same for other models. So this is the housing right here. So there's just a little clip on top. You just pull that off and you can see mine is super dirty. So we're just gonna pull this one out and then we'll get a paper towel, wipe this out. All right, so that cleaned up pretty nicely. I had quite a bit of dirt in there. And then you're gonna wanna grab your replacement air filter. So this is the model here. I'll leave a link in the description. And pretty simple, but we're just gonna put this on. These two parts fit right on the knobs on here. So that slides right on there. You put these two clips here, right back on there, and then you snap it closed, and you should be good to go. And this here is why you want to replace your old one. Thanks for watching. Hope this is helpful.